the very first yuga, if we say, is Satyuga. Why it is Satyuga? Sat means what? Sat means Tat. Tat means God. So in the beginning, when the human being arrived on the earth by the God sent on this earth, this was Satyuga only. There was nothing like I and my. There was nothing like you and yours. There was only a very innocent game which is just keep on developing, and game rules were changed then. With the intelligence factor, the sky factor, it keep on changing. God had never told you to just weep on the something goes wrong. Why Kali Yuga is here, in which good people are very less and wrong people, wrong things and badness is more. Why the Yuga needs to change, why Satyug cannot be there forever. After having so many god and goddess and saints in our whole period, why their goodness in humanity we cannot see? If the whole world is sad, then why the God had created this world? Why the God had created this world if this world is sad? Why? God had never created the sad world. It is we who had divided ourselves into two. Outside the world and everything was created by the God and divided into two to play the game. But attachment to the win or the lose in the game is not created by the God. It is the one who had created this attachment, not the God. God is not responsible for our sadness or the happiness. God had created only the truth. There is nothing like the yuga changed, but in fact, God had created only the one. The Sat has created the Satya only. The truth had created the truth only. But in the truth, he had made the game. Like there are many human beings takes birth, but all the human beings are not the creator for the games, for something. The searching done by few, and they searched and give to the world. Somebody had invented the mobile and we all are using it. Somebody invented the game of cricket and we enjoy in this game. So the one who creates the game here and others are enjoying. One who had created the knife to cut, he had created, but all are enjoying with that knife. But it is the one who is misusing it. He is using the knife to assault someone, to kill someone, then it is not that God had told you to do it. In the beginning, the very first, when the human being was landed on this earth, God just said to enjoy, see the world and come back. See the world, enjoy the world, hear the world, smell the world, taste the world, touch the world. God gave five senses to enjoy the human being, we, the son of the God or the daughter of the God. But we had come on this earth and forgotten to go back. So that's why God had just made us away, because you are not in the same quality as you went from the home. So that's why God is not happy with you, because you have created these partitions. God had created the only truth. That's why the very first yuga, if we say, is Sat Yuga. Why it is Sat Yuga? Sat means what? Sat means Tat. Tat means God. So in the beginning, when the human being arrived on the earth by the God sent on this earth, this was Sat Yuga only. There was nothing like I and my. There was nothing like you and yours. There was only a very innocent game which is just keep on developing, and game rules were changed then. With the intelligence factor, the sky factor, it keep on changing. God had never told you to just weep on the something goes wrong, because we had come to the development where we are civilized, we say, where we are knowing the two, that there is a one, the profit, the loss, the respect, the disrespect, the birth, the death. So in that theory of two, God asks you to play the game, not to just go around to get attached to anything. Win and loss is the part of the game. If there is a dark, there is a light. If there is one, the other will be there. But you don't attach to the one and leave the other. You should be in balance. Neither the attachment nor the love to anything. So that balance he asked for, which was disturbed. And because of that disturbance only, the yuga also started changing. Like we put the people in the category. If there are very good people, we put them in one category. There are few people, those who are little good, lesser than the highest good. Then again, the very dirty one, we put in the next category. So likewise, as we put the category outside in the world, first, second, third, there also in this world of Godism, there is a category. The rules and regulations which are made by the God to enjoy this earth started destroying by the human being himself. Like it was like committing suicide. So your sadness is nothing like committing the suicide. You are God in you, but you do not know that you are the God's son. Those who came to know came to the bliss. If Jesus came to know, Ibrahim came to know, Buddha Mahavir came to know, Kabir Farid came to know, Mira Sahajullah came to know, Muhammad came to know, Lao Tse Sukrat came to know, then these people were again out of this cycle of sadness and happiness. So Satyuga, there are the people directly from the God in the very first beginning on this earth of the human being, who was created by the God, who has been sustained by the God, who will be destroyed by the God. So the one who is not in truth keep on falling, doing the things of wrong nature. So his stage also going from the top category to the third class category. To the third class category. So that categorization from one to the other, things keep on changing. So as per that, they are the sections we have divided, and these sections which were divided as per the new rules and regulations, some amendments. That's why the whole nature is destroyed. Whole living beings are destroyed, non-living beings are destroyed. Then everywhere there will be water as in the beginning of the earth. As in the beginning of the earth, the first life on earth, there was complete water. So again, whenever God made a change, God just put the whole earth into water. But the karmas, which was the base for the outside world to enjoy the life, had become somewhere with the fault. Those karma became dirty karma by the possession of human being on the things and everything made by the God. We are the one who had made the possession on the God things and the faces. So that the possession, the grip over the God, whatever is given by the God, is keeping you away from the God. So the more you go away from the God, the more you will win the next yuga. Like he said, after Satyuga, after the God Yuga, where everybody was God only. In the beginning, the very first was the God. Then in this cycle of this 4 yuga, because there is a cycle of 4 yuga also. Then with that 4 yuga, we have come to now, so say around 14 cycle of yuga, then you can say that the life which is said by the science also, the 50 crore back they have got some life body of a whale, the whale fish. That's why we also read in the epics that the Matsya avatar. So this is the life going on continuously for many periods. But we are not able to reach to our home back, God home. From where we started our journey, God said us to move around the world, the home He had made to enjoy it. But we are not enjoying, we are disturbed, sad. The reason is nothing but the possession on the God all outside, whatever that non-living and the living things. And in the living, the human being at the top. So you are already in the yuga, which we say the Kali Yuga. Why the Kali Yuga? Because the people, those who have been in Satyuga, they had not understood, realized the taste of the Sat, the taste of the God, the Father. They came to the next Yuga also, getting away. Then after Satyuga, as they were all godly people, when they were distributed, many people got away from that Sat. So then again next Yuga came, the Treta Yuga, where again there were many people away from the God. People kept on increasing, going away from the God in Dwapar. In Treta it was away, then in the Dwapar also they were getting away. And Kali Yuga, why we say the Kali Yuga? Because here, what was that complete position of the true disciples for the God in the Satyuga? In the Kali Yuga, it is the same. What was there in the first Yuga, Satyuga, the godly people, now is the complete opposite. The devil people are more, the Satyugi people are less. This is what the one has passed through the journey from all the 4 yuga. Means you and me had come throughout the journey. And this journey in this yuga, in Kali Yuga, is also not the last now. But you have to take births, many births after this, to get connected to your all. karmas which you have made. And if you want to get rid of it, you can go ahead. You can go ahead doing your Satya Karma. Satya Karma means not attaching to any karma. And then you will be away from this cycle of birth and death. You will be away from this Kali Yuga. So this is what the story of your Yuga. There is nothing like Satyug, Dwapar, Treta or Kali Yuga, but it is only was made when the people were getting so much on the distance. The distance to the extreme point had come, so that Yuga is called the Kali Yuga. It is the same dot we started in Satyuga. We were the same who started in Satyuga, and with that we could not understand, so we came further. We came further. As we were not so much interested for God, but also not that complete interested, but there was some interest. So we went to the Treta Yuga. There again our interest was loosening, even with the masters. Again then in Dwapar Yuga we came. And now in Kali Yuga, because today whoever has taken born is just nothing but the, you can say, distant enemy for the God. Outside he says everything for the God, praises for the God, but inside he is not going as per the God law. So from the Satyuga to the Treta Yuga to the Dwapar Yuga and Kali Yuga is nothing but the people who are getting away from the God to a certain extent, to the next extent, to the extreme extent. You can say people, those who are with the God, for knowing always God in front, keeping them the number two. There were if 100 people who came in the beginning were in with the God only, then again these people were disturbed in the later age as their beginning as it was not remaining the same. So those people are getting away in Satyuga, and that those who are getting away are coming again in the Dwapar Yuga and Treta Yuga. And Treta Yuga also they have not been so much in state of getting connected to the God, going a little more away. Then again they are getting connection to the God. They are getting connection away from the God. And the same way in third and the today. Today we are at the extreme space, distant, that we are not aware. We are not aware that where we are, what actually the life is. This body belongs to us or the God. This body is sustaining with us or by the God who is doing it. So we have to understand. We have to understand. If we understand, the life will be the bliss. If we understand, the life will be the bliss. And bliss is the quality of the Godism. So you were God. You were God. In the beginning, that's why it is called Sat Yug. Sat in the Gita is said Tat, Sachidanand, God. We were in the God Yug. In the beginning, the very first that we say the Kalvantar, that Yugs changed. All four also repeats. It is not only the Satyuga, Treta, Dwapar and the Kali Yuga, but these four Yug cycle also is changing. So we are so away from our first birth of Satyuga. The first was Satyuga. Now when the Satyuga comes, also is not the original Satyuga of the first. In that Satyuga also, if you see, there was the Hiranyakashyap of this cycle. But on the first cycle, if you go, that the first, when you were born first time on this earth, that's why we say we are having some Gotra. In Hinduism, there is a Gotra, what is said, and in many other religions also, Gotra, that we are from the Kashyap Gotra. We are from the Bharadwaj Gotra. So who were they? Those Saptarishis were no one but the creation by the Brahma in chain with the God to just multiply in the world. That we all are multiplied because of the 1 into 3 into the Sat, 7, then from that 7 we all have come. These are the stories. And we think that it will be like that only. Definitely there, because we have seen that from one father and the mother, there are 5 children are coming, from 5 again another are coming, likewise the multiplying. So it is multiplication from the first 2 to today, because we are, you can say, 50 crore years away from our first birth. If you count your age, if you count your age, as the science said, that 50 crore years before they caught the life, that in the fish, they got that skeleton of the body and they could come to know it is 50 crore years before. So you assume you are 50 crore years. If today you say I am 30 years old, you are not 30 years old. You can say 50 crore 30 years old. If you are say 50 years, you say 50 crore 50 years. 70 years, 50 crore 70 years. And it will keep on increasing. The age is keeping on increasing. Only you, because of not getting into the original Satyuga. One who goes back to the original Satyuga status where he arrived on this earth in the pure form, not having any duality inside. Not having any duality inside. Everything is of the God. There is nothing belongs to me. As we have so much duality inside, you have so much hate for someone, you have so much of love for someone, attachment for someone, detachment for someone. You are attached to your profits, you are attached to your losses, you weep. This is also attachment. You dance is also attachment. So these are all that emotions inside is taking you away from your first Satyuga. When you are Sat, you are God. That's what I say you are God, you are Sat. Satyuga means in Yuga, in age, in that time, those all were Sat. First. Thereafter it is not actually a Satyuga. That Satyuga is also dummy Satyuga. Because now Satyuga also is having the people like in Kali Yuga. Now if you say Hiryakashyap, he was taking himself as God, telling to his son even to tell him the God, who did not acknowledge him as God, and even the father, the Hiranyakashyap, tried to kill him. His son, so much of ego, even trying to kill his son because he is saying you are not God. So that much cruelty in this Satyuga of this cycle. So how can we say that is Satyuga? Sat is God Yuga. How is the God Yuga? So this cycle, in fact, in the somewhere maybe around, you can say the 13th or 14th cycle. So Yuga, you can say that it had gone 53, 54 now. If we say the 14th cycle, if suppose it is 56th cycle we are in Kali Yuga. So 14 Kali Yuga, 13 Kali Yuga we have already gone through. 14 Satyuga, 14 Treta Yuga and 14 Dwapar Yuga. Suppose this man is 50 crore plus. So you don't say that I am very young. You are very old. Even the child who is taking birth is also very old. And everything inside in your that man, the subconscious mind body, it is stored. Here all the stories of 50 crore years. So much big library inside. You have so many human births. So that all your lion birth, dog birth, donkey birth, you were. Don't think that, no, how I can be, I am officer today, I am governor or PM or CM. No, you were. You either agree to or not. And if you are agreeing to Ram or Krishna, or if you are agreeing to Guru Nanak Dev, Buddha, Mahavira, Jesus, if you are agreeing to these people, Kabir, Farid, Sai Baba, Ram Paramahansa, Meera, Sahajullallah, Lao Se Sukhriyat, then definitely you should understand you are in the 84 lakh species also of animal, birds, strange insects. So this is the life you had gone through. So don't think that you are only 25 years old or 40 years old. You can say, I am 50 crore 35 years old. I am 50 crore 70 years old. You are a very old man. And you see, your life is nothing but the old only, like a old man. Old man, you see what he is doing, what you are doing. Because the young life means to enjoy. Young means enjoy. Old means to be upset and sad every time. Now see, all the young people also are more sad than the old people. They are more depressed than the old people. Old people, you will not get that much depressed as the youngs are, they are depressed. They are more in sad mode than the old people. So young is old. And in fact, who is sad, who is more sad is more old. Who is not sad is young. That's why we have shown all the gods as very young, smart. Outside the physical body, as the age, the body is decaying, dying, but inside they remain the very young. Because young is not the physical young. Young means the one who is not having any sadness inside. He is beyond that sadness. Who is beyond the sadness is young. That's why to those all godly people, we say the word Ajar. Ajar means there is no jara, who is not getting old, always remain young. And you ask anybody who is not in the mood to have always young, all are beautifying their face to be young. Nobody wants to be old. You will not see anyone in the world who wants to be old. But they do not know outside physical body, if you want that you should not be old, will never be happening. It is only you will be making cheating by just making your face beautifully, coloring your hair. But in fact, you are old. That is, you are playing the double role. But what is sad, that young is one who is not sad inside. Even the one who has shown outside, he is young, coloring his hairs, making his face beautiful with the cream powder, wearing the good clothes, going in the Mercedes. Inside, if he is sad, he is old. Even the young of 20 years, he is sad inside, he is old. And one who is 90 years old, inside is not sad, he is young. Young is not related to your outer body. We take it in our language outside. The young is one who is not getting his hair white, who is not getting wrinkles on his face. Our language is such. If in a young age somebody hairs are getting away or getting bald or white, which they are becoming old now, so what happened? But in fact, hardly in the world you will find any young. When I say hardly in the world, means that the 700 people in the world are very young. And they will die young, they will remain young throughout. And beyond that 700, 7,000 and the 70,000 and last 7 lakh trying to be young. 7 lakh had come to the beauty parlor of that 700 people. They had been connected through 70,000 to 7,000 to get themselves young. They are in the queue because that beauty parlor is so busy. So they want to be young like that 700. That's why you see, whenever any saint means who had been in Sat means saint. Sat means saint. And for that one who is in Sat, in the saint state, means who is not having any sadness inside, is the Satyug, you can say. He is the one now in the Kali Yuga, but he is actually same as Satyug, the first Satyug. So he had traveled back to his first formation of Satyuga. So in Kali Yuga, Satyuga had come. Because Satyug and Kaliyug is not from outside. Outside in the first era also, that first cycle also, when you are here, same sky or all elements were there. Nothing is changed. Human being also same as you see now today. Only the difference is of the inside thoughts. It is not the Satyuga, Dwapar Yuga, Treta Yuga, Kali Yuga difference in the outside cycle. No. Outside nature remains the same, body remains the same. So it is your thoughts which makes you Satyug, who is the thoughts which takes you to Dwapar Yuga, to the Treta Yuga, to the Kali Yuga. It is not that outside anything will change. When we say outside, outside means people when not interested for the Sat. People are not that much interested for the Sat, means for the God. Even they went to God just to ask the outside, the Maya, the deadly things, the deadly faces relationship, the old faces relationships, and the all that things which are going to die. So those who are utilizing the God also in the way of worshipping them and demanding the outside world, the more that Yuga where all these people had come, we have said it, the Kali Yuga. Kali Yuga, the Kal word had come from Kal. Kal. Kal means they are not living, they are just like dying. They say we are living. Outside face they shows that we are living happily. They shows their smile face. But don't go on that smile face. In the smiley face, inside they are not the same smiling. They are sad. Just covering their face with the smile so that one should understand we are happy. Nobody is happy. That's why it is said Kal. Kal to Kal. Because Kal, the death like life. Because death is very serious. You see the one dead body, how it is. Very sad. So now, the all those in Kali Yuga are like a dead people, hardly lives. That's what I am saying. Only enjoyment can be done by the young man, you know. Old person cannot enjoy, even outside you see. Old person cannot enjoy that much. And he can go in dance, he can enjoy in disco. Very difficult. Knee will start, tick, 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 tick. Back pain. He cannot enjoy jumping. He cannot enjoy his lust if he wants the physical relationship. That's why he says he is old now. She is old. Gone. But when you are happy inside, always round the clock, you are young always. Young. So that 7 lakh people are trying to be young. 700 and the 7,000 are almost young. And 70,000 going to be young. 7 lakh following to be young. And rest whole world 699 crore 93 lakh people are nothing like old men of 90 years. They are not young. Even a child of 10 or 15 or 20 also starts getting old. Reason behind sadness comes. Because olds are growing the youngs. That is the problem. Our parents, even they says we are only 25 and we are given birth to a child. These parents are also old people. So old people are bringing up the young because the child who had just taken birth is a very young. He is peaceful by mind, relaxed. But these old people will give their quality to the young, and that young will also become old even at the age of 10. So 10 years old, and you know, the word also I don't know, somebody definitely, because earlier the people were going to the saints to ask something. So see, when we say how old you are, what is it? How old you are? We are not saying what is your age, it's how old you are. Someone says, I am 10 years old, I am 12 years old, I am 15 years old. You are old, in fact you are old. Hardly there is a young man on this, and young had no age. That's why those who are saints, to them we say, They are immortal. They will never die. Now you see the Ibrahim, Buddha, Mahavira, Jesus, Muhammad, Kabir, Farid, Guru Nanak Dev, Sai Baba, Ram Paramahansa, Meera, Sahajullallah, Lao Tse, Sukrat, they are till now, they are alive. So young people, see their faces. We have put them as idol also very young. Even we have shown their face if old, very young. All have their black hair. It is not that this Buddha or Mahavira will having at the age of 80 black hair. But we have shown them as youngs. Outside they were also the old, but inside they were young. So the young in the spiritual language we say Ajar. Ajar means he will never get old. So you cannot ask the age of a saint. He will laugh because one who was having the age is dead. That's why their names were changed. When names were changed, how will ask the Mahavira when you were born? Mahavir will say, when I was born. So I born at that age. You say, hey, you don't look like 18 years old. You are looking like more than 60. He said, no, that 42 years was the old man. Now is the young man of 18. Because the age starts from the one where he became happy always inside. That's why the saints always remains young. And you see, maximum of the people in the world, those who were old, they were also old. Then up to 35 years we say, Guru Nanak will say, yes, I was old, 35 years old. Mahavir will also say, I was 42 years old. Before that, they were old only. They got young means they took the birth as young. They were directly young, born young, because everybody is born young. And they are brought up by the God. Their parents are God. That's why one who when gets into the God's shoes, he is not saying that yes, they are my parents, they are my brothers, they are my sister. As the whole world is my family. They are my this body relationships. This body is dead. Inside you check inside. Whose father is not this father, whose brother is not this brother, whose wife is not this wife. You see inside. So inside the young man, for him, the relationships is with only the God. And God is my father, God is my mother, God is my brother and the sister. And outside, definitely with this physical body, these relationships are there. But I am not the Vardhaman now. I am Mahavir. I am not Siddharth. I am Buddha. I am not Gadadhar. I am Ram Paramahansa. So maximum people in the world lived the life. Maximum in the world lived their life after getting that young life in the old ages, and they died young only. Generally their life period span was 20 to 40 years maximum. 20 to 40, and they died young only. And the outside world I am talking about. You have to understand. That's why you say, how old are you? Everybody is old. We will never ask the 2 years old that how old are you? But we ask and he replies, she replies, because by that time mother and father, the old people had already taught to their children, the young who was born, you are old. Because the inside ego starts, they are imposing ego. Even the senses had not come. Before the senses, today we are imposing on the children before the senses, making them to understand. That's why the senses which are coming at the age of 7 to 14, now we had pushed with our all education by the parents and the world, that we are pushing inside the mind the complete attachment ego. Lust will come later on. Definitely it is physical body formation. But with the knowledge, even that what the lust even after 14 is coming in the 10 years old child. Because it is we, those who are putting all that before, pushing the child, teaching him everything of ego and everything. This tiffin belongs to you. You have to eat this kitchen in your school. If anybody asks, I had not brought. Just take it away. We are teaching. The parents are teaching all these old thoughts. They are old people. So they are bringing their before the senses, they are just putting complete inside the sewerage. So when the Amrit of senses will come, Amrit of senses, purity will come, it will fall on that poison which is already given by the school teachers and the parents specially. Because they are brought up in the beginning by the parents. But it is not the fault of the parents. They were also educated by that way. If it not, they are in competition with the outside world. So in that competition of the outside world, teach their children the same way that he should not remain the pure water. He should become sewerage like them. Because we always like the company of the outside people. As outside people, we want our children in the same way. We never think of making our children some very special child. That special child means one who is having the pure knowledge. We are not pushing inside that all worldly and materialistic knowledge before the senses come. That's why even 100 years before, still people were having that sense to send their children for education only after 7 years. No one was allowed to go before 100 years before. Ask your grandparents. That's why there were no postgraduate or very degree holder people. But they were so much qualified inside by the nature. Today you have so many parts doctor, eye doctor, nose doctor, mouth doctor, head doctor, heart doctor, lung doctor, liver doctor. That time there was nothing like doctor. Only one where. There is no doctor, means only one doctor. Only one. And that time, if you ask your grandparents, if they had asked their grandparents the 100 years before, one used to go in the morning at 4 o'clock at the roof, and with the air flowing, he will come to know what medicine is to be given today. All the patients, whoever comes, they will give that medicine who had got sick that day. And that medicine will be making them all right. With the only breathe inside, they will come to know what the breathe today. Whoever got sick today, from yesterday night, they will give the same medicine. Only one medicine they will make to everybody, panacea for today. That if anybody had fallen sick, give him, will be okay. That much knowledge. There was nothing like operation, this thing, that thing. You see your grandparents, there was nothing like implant, transplant, agadam, tagadam. And we have so much of doctors today. So that's why we say Kali Yuga, because today everybody is after his stomach. Everybody wants to be rich. Everybody wants himself, the great, his honor. Let the world die. And that is what is going on. This is Kali Yuga. Kali Yuga means who is not worried about his karma, what he is doing about. Because they don't have the knowledge of life. Knowledge of life, which is Gurukul, we say, that Gurukul in the beginning at age of 7 years, one was forced to go. So in that time, they were known about the knowledge of the life. Knowing the knowledge. Even the Rama and Krishna, we had shown that they had gone to the Gurukul. To get the education of their life, what the life is. So now they are not knowing about the life. Everybody knows about the body. So knowing about the body, living in the body, dying in the body is Kali Yuga. Is Kali Yuga nothing? See, outside nothing changes. Everything is same as first time birth on the earth. But only the change of your thoughts. One is just living for himself and his family, and some other are living not only for himself. Whatever is going on, he is acceptance. He is not making any cheating or flirt every time to fulfill his stomach. What is required is okay. See, in the world, we need something, because if I have my family, my profession is doctor, I have to take the fee. But it will be very reasonable, not just taking the neck of someone. And definitely whatever fee I am taking, I will never think that patient should come here again and again. I should make that he should not come again and again. Not that if tests are required, doctor will say you just go and take tests there. Why to take tests there? Why? The others are giving tests in 1,000 for complete package and he is giving in 6,000. Why? But no, that test are not, they go for that test. What he is doing, that he knows better, she knows better. what karma he or she is making. So whatever I am saying you, there are always good doctors, good teachers, and every profession, good politicians. Nothing, otherwise the world will be in vain. There are the good people, that's why the world is stable somewhere. But beyond this all outside materialistic life, because materialistic, whatever he may be, the good doctor, good teacher, good politician, whatever he may be, but will not be liberated from this earth. Liberation is only when you are no more in attachment with anything of the outside world. Liberation means not in attachment with anything of the outside world. When you're not in attachment of anything of the outside world, you're not in the detachment of anything of the world. So let the things go very natural. That is the Godism. And those who went on the Godism till now, you see their life, they were no more involved in the outside world. At last, you see everybody, even at the young age, they were not involved in Maya. They were not involved in Maya. So they were away from that. So remaining inside with the life, true to yourself. What outside you are not copying. You are in relaxed mode. So that Satyuga. Satyuga means be natural. Be innocent. Nothing belongs to you. You have come here to visit the earth. You have to go back to your home. So that life when becomes natural, not having any attachment to anything outside, just playing the game, win or loss, whatever is there, in both the side you enjoy the moments. Nothing is wrong, nothing is right then. Everything is by the God. It is a game where nothing is wrong, but nothing is right. So when one who comes to the state of no being, no mind, is the Satyuga. Satyuga is nothing but the inside thought state. So these all Ibrahim, Buddha, Mahavira, Jesus, Muhammad, Kabir, Farid, Guru Nanak, Ram, Paramahansa, Sai, Meera, Sahjo, Lalla, Kabir, these all Lao Se, Sukrat, they all were Satyug people. Born in this Kali Yuga. Because outside structure of the sky, earth, water, air, everything, trees, birds, flies remain the same. Your human body remains the same. Same two eyes, same nose, same mouth, same ears. Even in the first Yuga, when you came in the Satyuga 50 crore years back, you can stop your age here itself. You can say that this is the last now. I am no more old now. I am young. So you cannot say that 50 crore, 30, if you are been enlightened, means you are no more in the body. No more in the body means you are not in the attachment of anything of the outside world, even your children, family, money, anything. And attachment, not attachment does not mean you are in detached. You are not detached also. You are there, but you are loving all the nature, everywhere, just passing by this nature, enjoying. Because young can only enjoy, old cannot enjoy. And I am telling you, old is the one who is sad inside. Young is the one who is not sad inside. Let it be 80 years old, 70 years old. But one who is old, sad inside, even the 15 years old also. Young also is old. That's why you say 15 years old. That word old is already there written. There is a meaning to that. Somebody had written the word is very good. Definitely some saint had approved this word, invented this word and given to the world. And it is continued. We are blind people, we never think of some words are also having the meaning in it. So this meaning that you are old only. When you become young, your age is no more. You are beyond the age, beyond the kal, beyond the death. Kali also said the death. So beyond the sadness means you are beyond the death also. Because death also you are sad on death. You are more sad on death. When your death comes, when you enjoy the death, you are beyond the Kali Yuga, beyond the Kal. And beyond the Kal means you are beyond all that Satyuga, Treta, Dwapar. Because all these 4 Yuga, we all are formed right from the first birth 50 crore years before until now. We all are born by the one who has sent us to enjoy this earth. And these Buddha, Mahavir and all enjoyed their birth and went back to their home after 50 crore years of age. Why I am saying 50 crore? 2000 years before these people had come. 3000 before Ibrahim, 2500 before Buddha, Mahavira. So 3000 minus 50 crore you can write. So it is better you just go ahead with your life today. Don't think why the good people and why God created this. God created this world very beautifully to enjoy. It is like that if my father says to me that I have taken one house in America, go and enjoy there in New York on the seashore, I have the flat, go beta. And if one goes there and he is involved in the drinking and on all his lusty and all that item, then if he says that why father had taken the home here, if he would have not taken, why would have been there as a poor in the village, why he had taken this flat? It's not the fault of the father. Father had created the beautiful house. This earth is nothing but the beautiful house. But if you are involved in your lust, anger, greed, ego, and attachment, it is not the fault of the God. These five God gave you to enjoy outside, but if you are taken inside and attached to the lust, attached to the ego, attached to the attachment, attached to the greed, it is not the God fault. It is not the Father's fault if he had taken the flat in America and said you to enjoy there, go and visit the USA and come back. And if you are gone there, gone into the drinks, gone into all that negative things, drugs and all, and then you say, why God, Father had taken the flat here instead of putting finger on you? It is not. God had created the beautiful earth. You ask any saint that what is the problem in this? Only the saint will say, the problem is with only this machinery, the best machinery made by the God, the human being, those who are mad. Those who are mad for the deaths. That is nothing which you can see. That is nothing which you can hear. That is nothing which you can see, taste. That is nothing but you can smell. That is nothing which you can touch. So they say, they all people are just mean the poison on this earth. Just I have to take that poison out, trying my best, because poison had gone inside. When poison remains outside is good. Poison goes inside is a problem. Poison outside is good. You see, poison had many benefits. That's why poison is made. Poison is very much utilized in many things outside in the world. But poison when goes inside, that is the problem. So these all your lust, anger, greed, ego and attachment are very beautifully used outside. But these when go inside becomes a poison. So this poison is taken by the master who had already made himself blank from that poison with his master. So that poison he takes out. That's why the one, the Sat who takes the poison out, told him the one who came as Shiva. So Shiva is nothing but the portfolio for the one who takes the poison out. So we say the Shiva who took the poison. So one who takes the poison of lust, anger, greed, ego and attachment from anyone makes him pure like the first born on the earth 50 crore years back. So this is what we have to understand. There is nothing that Satyuga, Kalyuga, Dwapar, Treta. Satyuga means where all were saints, all born by the first era, first yuga, first cycle. But now it has become so dirty that now it is Kalyuga, because we all never understood even in this cycle of Satyuga when people were more interested for God. More interested, but they were like the opposite, Hiranyakashyap also. We lost that chance in that because there was still the Gurukul. We lost the chance in Treta Yuga. We went into the family of this Kans in Duryodhan. Then in the Dwapar Yuga also. And now in Kali Yuga, because we had never used those Gurukul, that's why God had thrown you out in Kali Yuga, that just lost. So this Kali Yuga is not the biggest punishment given to you. Biggest punishment is from the birth you have not been given the education. But because of your last birth, somewhere thirst or hunger for the God, God had given you opportunity. Later on, somewhere in the 20, 13, 14, 50, even to those all saints, those who did not utilize in their previous birth. You don't think that Ibrahim, Buddha, Mahavira, Jesus, or Nanak and all, they were born saint. No, they were also like you and me, those who came from their previous ages. But in this time, in this age, they could understand and acknowledge their life that we are not the body. Inside is the conscious which made pure. The moment they made the conscious pure, out of the ego, out of the lust, out of the greed, out of the attachment, and that time automatically their conscious became pure and they were in connection with the God, at the first sight 50 crore year back when they were in the God home. So God started showering on them through the master who was there. So that life becomes bliss then. Bliss means now nothing is said inside. When nothing is said makes you sad inside, then definitely you are beyond the lust, anger, greed, ego and attachment. Outside it will be there, inside zero. That zero state is Sat. Zero is Sat. And Sat is complete. So that Sat is complete. The complete, the one who took birth. So that's why you say the child as a full. But the young is been taught by the olds. So young needs the young education. And that's why the bliss state, when the parents who had will give that teaching to the children in the same way. They will not be bothered about putting them in the world. They will be thinking of taking them to their world where they are going. That's why the children also who selects the parent before coming into the womb, they are selecting the parents because they are also thirsty of previous birth. So from the very beginning also, they will get the same status of spirituality and the truth, and they will be young, born, young, and young, old. They will be the same and going into the God home. So this is what Satyuga. In Kali Yuga you can bring, otherwise in Satyuga also will remain in Kali Yuga, because there are Hiranyakashyap. Don't think in Satyuga everybody is the interview, because it will be the next cycle after this. So Bhar, the punishment 84 lakh of death in the animal, tree, bird, insects, for not utilizing your body to get into the internal state of bliss, the still, at the beginning, getting you zero from all inside. Then otherwise you will be going again to the next era, the Satyuga with the Kali Yuga inside. Even you are going to the master school, you will be going to the schools of master, those who are not the truth. Because Raman also was going to the master school. Hiranyakashipu also went to the master school. There are the good master school and the bad master school. So those who are doing today, say extremists, we say them, they are also worshipping. They are saying we are doing for the God. Don't think that Aurangzeb was not doing for the God. Aurangzeb was very much attached to the Quran, the Muhammad, the Allah. So much attached, doing 5-time namaz and everything. If you asked why he was making all, that all should be Muslim, he was so much in love with Allah, the Muhammad, with the Quran. But he was not aware because he did not have the master with him. He was very much in the Godism, but his Godism was confined to the master who taught him all that negative. So he was having the negative master, not the positive master. If he could get the positive master, he could have gone to the state of bliss, to the Godism. So this is only depending to whom you are following. That is important. Don't just make a blind. We make the blind game. My father had taken the Naam, I will take the Naam. He had taken the Mantra, I will take the Mantra. It is not like that outside world copying. It should be your experience. With your experience, with your love, the stability inside, you should choose the one, the spiritual master especially, because your life object is to get your back home from where you started your journey. And for that, you should have a very perfect teacher, perfect guide, perfect master who can take you over there. So you have to first check completely inside you, your experience with him, with his words. Are you executing and getting the same experience? If you are getting the same experience, take month, year, not the problem. But once you take him as the guide, perfect, that you have put your mind now knee down, then only you don't think back. But don't take blindly, because he had taken, I will also take. That is all horrible. On the way of truth, nothing can be binded. If you have been binded, give them back. Search. Like Vivekananda went for search. There are 100, not 100, 1,000, not 1,000, lakhs of masters claiming themselves as the true master. Yet, it is you. Saying the true master is someone is not that he is sant. The word you use sant, he is sant. He is Bhagwan and yellow clothes means sant. No. He may be Pakhandi. He may be what is outside, not inside. Pakhandi means, cheater means one who is not same outside as inside. The dual. He is the talking about the God, but he had no experience of the God. He is talking about whatever he is saying is not his experience. So first go and touch with him, sit with him, listen to him, execute to it. Either he is the same outside and the inside or not. And the mainly is how your experience is going on in your life. Are you getting away from all the sadness inside or not? That is important. Looking into yourself. Because if you have taken the taste of the sweet, you know the taste of that. No. By taking the taste, others saying sweet and you say it is sweet. No. It is just faith. But only faith is that I have to experience. I have to experience. You experience it. Because out of 199 are dummy guides. Dummy guides. What they are showing outside, they are not inside. So that's why you have to be very careful in choosing the guide for your spiritual life. If you are not interested for God, is not the problem. That 99.99% in the world are not interested for the God. So 99.99% will take any guide, not the problem. One who is the master, true master, will not be attached to anything of the outside world. Remember it. Not of money, that give the donation, give that, give this. All as required. As required is required. For your, whatever is that circumstances comes. That yes, if we are going somewhere together, 50 people, we have to have the stay and what food, whatever is coming, divided equally into all. Not only all. Himself also is paying whatever is coming, the share. So that you have to look into. If he is attached to anything of the outside world, attached to anything of the outside world, for that you need a time, but you don't have the time. You don't have the time. And one day time will say goodbye. Then you will have enough time, but that time you cannot do any damn thing. Today you don't have the time, and one day time will pass. Time will say bye-bye. And you will have so much time. But in that time of animal bird, no, you cannot be liberated. So in human being only, you should have the time, especially to get the guide for your God home from where you started your journey 50 crore years before. That is up to you. You want now or in the next birth, one birth, you have to take time for this. Because after many births, you come across a master. I am not telling that I am the truth. But you have to search it out. To me, to anyone. But once you come across, you should feel the experience inside. You should have the experience inside. Not that years together. Anybody on this earth had just gone through with the close, those who have gone, closest to get the God, those who have that thirst, not more than 12 years. They get their aim from 12 minutes to 12 years. They will get. So it is up to you. If you are thirst or hunger, you are going to get anytime before 12 years. Anytime. But you should have the hunger and thirst. Execute the sayings, what the guide is saying. Because you go in the world also as per the guide. If guide is going left, you are going left. You are going right, you are going right. But on this way to the God home, you try to make your own way. You are just following the guide, then you are going somewhere in the other streets. Then guide is searching you where you have gone. Why you are not following me? So you are, oh no, sorry. But here you don't say sorry. Your ego is still there. You remain on the same, your own choice. This is the only difference between the outside physical guide and the inside the God guide. He never says you anything unless you get thirst and hunger. That time only he comes and shouts at you. Because his shouting is the main love for you. And that love is only taking to the God, because God is love. So just make your life as Satyuga. Sat means Tat, God, in Kali Yuga also. Don't think what the outside people are there, goodness or bad. Even good people are there, that saints are there. But if you are not understanding, not executing, what the master will do. So you can bring this Satyuga in Kali Yuga also. For you it will be Satyuga. Rest surrounding may be the Kali Yuga. So it is up to you. If you are in interest to get to the Satyuga, there is the Satyuga today also. There are the guides. Guides mean those who are in the Satyuga but outside in Kali Yuga to take you to that Satyuga. Satyuga is inside. Outside is same. Whatever outside you feel like. is a Kali Yuga, Dwapar, Treta, Satyuga. This is the outside classification. Inside is Satyuga only. But inside, because you don't know anything about, you had made your inside Satyuga into the Treta, Dwapar, Kali Yuga also. Inside is Satyuga only. It is you who had made the Satyuga into Dwapar, Treta, Kali Yuga. It is you who will withdraw your Treta, Kali Yuga, Dwapar from inside. The moment you come to the pure form, you will be going beyond the Satyuga. You will be dissolved in one who had made this all Sat also, to you also. So Son will go and dissolve in the Father. Then Father will speak through him, Father will go with him, Father will take food through him, God will come in that body. And that will be the success of your life. Make this life success. Otherwise, billions of years, again age will increase. Then you will say, I am 50 crore. Then you will say, I am 70 crore. Age will keep on going. So get young, make your life the success.